Oh, wait, that was cool. Wow. What's up, Disney fans? Welcome to the Infinity Corner and beyond. My name's Joseph, and you guys are probably noticing that this is the third video in a row, I'm sure, with me wearing an Aladdin shirt. And that's kind of also the theme of this video, as was the last video. So I'm a really big Aladdin fan. You see them? Right there. That's Olaf. There they are. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see that well in the viewfinder. Anyway, so as you guys know by the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing a huge Aladdin unboxing. It's really 2 items, but actually 6 items of Aladdin merchandise. I actually have a new shirt coming for the new movie, but I couldn't wait that long. And by that long, I mean tomorrow. I just want to open up this stuff now. So we're gonna kick it off right ahead and go to our first item. So our very first item that I'm going to be unboxing is the Aladdin poster from the new Aladdin movie. And I actually got this from Disney Movie Rewards. It came in this cool little case. Kind of like a batter up. I actually got this poster, the Moana poster from Disney Movie Rewards. And of course I wanted it in the Infinity Corner because Moana is one of my favorite Disney movies. And I'm so excited about the new Aladdin movie that, sorry Moana, it's been a good 2, almost 3 years now, but gotta make way. But don't worry, I got a new frame for the Aladdin poster. I'm just gonna be moving the Moana poster just right across the way over my bed right here. So that there gives you a little knowledge of how my room is. Infinity Corner, bed. So anyway, let's jump right into it and open up the poster. So here it is, rolled up, obviously. Hello! Oh, wait, that was cool. Wow. So let's open this up and unroll it. I'm scared to see how, I probably will ruin it somehow, but we'll just roll with it. Oh, you can see Naomi Scott as Jasmine right there. Ooh, what do they do? It's like this. Is that even focusing? What if I hide? Okay, I have to do it the old-fashioned way. There we go, there she is, yay! Okay. Oh boy. Ooh. Oh, this is amazing. Can you even see it? So like rolled up here at the bottom. This is a hand trouble. There it is! Yay! Okay. I'm gonna open up this new frame and get this poster inside it and hang it up. Bear with me. Well, funny story. The poster frame I got is too small. Actually, the poster is 27 by 40, and the biggest they had at Target, biggest frame, was 24 by 36. So, that means Moana gets to hang up another day. And the next time you'll see me, that will be Aladdin. Well, after trying to roll that up for about the past 20 minutes, I'm fine. It's time to actually move on to probably the biggest part of this whole video that hopefully will turn out better than the poster. And that is the Aladdin Funko Pops that I got from Hot Topic. I actually got all 5. I didn't get any of the exclusives. I'm not really a big exclusive fan. Sounded kind of funny. Anyway, so I got all of the new Aladdin Funko Pops from the new movie, and we are going to open them up right now. So now let's see what we can get out. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Sorry, I like adding in my own special effects. Sound effect. I can't talk. It's a weird day. Okay. Ooh, the best part. Ooh. They all came in their own little boxes. I did not know that. That even adds some more fun to seeing which ones we'll get out first. Okay, we'll just start with this one. There's some white paper on there. Cool. I don't know what for. Anyway, okay. So let's see who's in this box. There we go. Oh, of course. You gotta start. You gotta start with this one. It is the Genie, as portrayed by Will Smith in this new movie. You can see him. Oh wow, there's a nice big glare. Hang on. Well, I'll get into more detail with these later. Okay, stop focusing on me. Anyway, I don't know. We'll get into more detail later. There you go. So there's the Genie. Now let's see who's next. Here. Next, other amazing ones to start off with are Aladdin and Abu. Or in this case, Aladdin of Agrabah with Abu, played by Mena Massoud. So there we go. Put that in there, and then box over here on my bed. Make my bed dirty. And then another box. Let's see who's in here. There we go. And in this one we have Prince Ali himself. Aladdin as Prince Ali Ababwa. Ababwa. There's that one. Here's this one. Ooh, this one's kind of upside down. Interesting. And here is Jafar, the Royal Vizier, played by Marwan Kenzari. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Please correct me in the comments below. Marwin, sorry, if you're watching this, please correct me down below. There, we're focused now. So, there's Jafar. And last but certainly not least, we have, whoa, almost dropped it. Stubborn, which makes sense. Here we have the beautiful, wonderful Princess Jasmine, as portrayed by Naomi Scott from Britain, London, but also, if you're like me, you know her from Lemonade Mouth, the Disney Channel original movie. So there she is. And now that they're all out, oh, they're all falling. They're all right there. Now that they're all out, we are going to open them, unbox them, and look at them up close. Let's go. So we're gonna go ahead and start with Aladdin of Agrabah with Abu. And so, here's Aladdin, here's artwork of Aladdin. Aladdin and Abu themselves. The logo. Here's the side, artwork again. And here's the back. And here's the other side. Now let's go ahead and open them up. So Aladdin and Abu are finally outside the packaging, and so here's Aladdin. Here's his costume, or his street rat clothing, shoes. Here's the back side, and his fez. So there's Mena Massoud's Aladdin's Funko Pop, and here's little Abu. And here's something to think about too, is that Abu's actually has a little strap that's holding him in the packaging that I did not know about. So I was like, why isn't he coming out? Then I realized that I actually had to cut him off, or cut him out of the box, because usually with regular Funko Pops you just pull him out and it's all done. But with Boo, you actually had to cut him out for just one tiny little strap around his neck right there. But it's all good. It's all good. So anyway, here's Abu. He's a little very tiny compared to Aladdin. Right there. So there's the two of them. And now let's move on. Next up we have Princess Jasmine, played by Naomi Scott. So here's the front side of the packaging, the artwork, the Funko Pop, the top, right there. Here's the side. Here's the back. And the other side. Now let's open her up. So she's out of the packaging, and this is such a beautiful Funko Pop. All the details, they're just beautiful. So here's her costume, her signature turquoise, blue, greenish costume that she sings during A Whole New World, or she wears while she sings A Whole New World, that's what I meant to say. Here's her face, and you can definitely see the resemblance to Naomi Scott. Here's her crown. Here's the top of her head. Here are her earrings, they're the same on both sides. There we go. Oh no, there we go. Here's the backside with her veil. You can see her ponytail as well. There's the backside, you can see more of the peacock type clothing that they're going for. See that too on her pants. And then there's her shoes down there. See, I'm gonna try to focus on them a little bit. Nope. Oh, I'm gonna focus on that little foot right there. And then there's her heels. And so far, I think she can stand on her own. See? Yeah, she can stand on her own right there. And so there's Princess Jasmine. Next up, we're going to move on over to the Genie, played by Will Smith. So here's the front side of the packaging. Focus on it a little bit. There's the top of it. There's the side. The back. And the other side. Now let's get Genie out of that box just like we got him out of the lamp. Well, that was really easy to get out. So here he is out of the packaging. You can see definitely that looks like Will Smith's the Genie. Has his little goatee beard with his little twirl, making it look like maybe there's wind blowing on him or he's flying. You can see his gauntlets or his little wristbands. It's kind of hard to see. I don't know. Maybe I can brighten it up in editing. But he has a necklace that's really actually well detailed. It's painted well and it has a lot of detail. It has this red sash or belt that you could say, and he's in a cloud of blue smoke just like he's coming out of the lamp, just like in the trailer. He has an earring on his left ear, and here's his little cherry on top that he mentions in one of the most recent TV spots. Here's the back side. So there's the Genie. Now let's move on to our next Funko Pop. Next up we have Aladdin as Prince Ali Ababwa. So here's the front of the box. Here's the top of it. And then we'll move over to the side. Here is the back. And here's the other side. Now let's get Prince Ali out of the box. So here's Prince Ali out of the box, and so far looks like he's a little hard to stand on his own, maybe just because he has such a big headpiece. So definitely for Prince Ali, you might want to have the stand, the little stand that they come with, all nice and ready for him to stand on. There he goes. So anyway, here's Prince Ali. Has his big I don't remember what they're called. I am sorry, turban. Yes, turban. And he has kind of covered, just like how Jafar was covered in the animated movie. And then here is his costume. Shoes, they kind of look the same, just as his regular shoes. Here's the back side. And I actually do have a close-up of the actual costume from the movie in, I believe, my last video, which was a sneak peek of Aladdin at the Disneyland Resort. So if you want to see how this costume actually looks in the actual movie, make sure to go check that video out. Now that was Prince Ali, so now let's go to our last Funko Pop. And last but definitely not least is Jafar the Royal Vizier. So here's the front side. Here's the side. Here's the back. And the other side. Now let's get Jafar out of the box. So here's Jafar, and he actually can stand on his own, which is great. There he goes. So here he is. Here's his face. Looking pretty evil if you ask me. Here's his hat with all this red and black feathers. Here's his costume. His snake staff. That's what it's called. Words are pretty hard. So there he is. I really like his costume for the Funko Pop. I know he has, I think, a couple different costumes in the movie, so maybe they will make multiple Funko Pops of Jafar, just like I know they've done of Jasmine, and even Aladdin with his Prince Ali. And here's his cape, and he has a sash or a ribbon, something that's coming down from his hat, and then there's his hair right there, part of him, and then the hat. And so there is Jafar the Royal Vizier.
Arabian nights, Arabian moons. A fool off his guard could fall and fall hard out there on
So that's all for today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Please make sure to comment down below what your favorite Disney, Aladdin, and Funko Pop is in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video.